Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Kartra landing pages, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into your Kartra landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your Kartra landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's good to have different reviews and testimonials of your project, and maybe you have them housed in your YouTube channel. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add one of your YouTube videos into your Kartra landing page, you need to click on Pages here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the landing pages you have in Kartra. You can see I just have this one right here. And next you want to click on these three dots and then click on Edit. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up and click on this blue Edit button. Okay, so once you click there, you will be in the Kartra landing page editor. So we can go ahead and add a video. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose, are you going to add the video up above this section or below this section? So for me, I'm going to add it below. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom underneath the section that I want it to appear and then click on Add Section. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get these different elements that you can add in, but we're going to go over here and then click on Content. Now, as you can see, there's just a lot of different templates that you can use, but normally what I'll do is I'll click up here in the search bar and then type in video and then click enter. Okay, so here is how we can go ahead and add a YouTube video into our Kartra landing page. So just kind of scroll down and see which one fits with your brand. So for me, I like this one. This one looks pretty basic. So I'm going to click there. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we added a video section here. Now, all of these portions we're going to be able to edit just like we do with the other parts of our landing page. However, the video is what we're talking about today. So I'm going to add a YouTube video. So I'm going to click here. Once you click over the video section, what you're going to do is click on this little pencil icon. Once you click there, you're going to get these options to add video into your Kartra landing page. However, in order to add your YouTube video, click on YouTube. Okay, next, they're asking you to go ahead and paste in your YouTube video URL. So let me jump on over to my channel and grab one. Okay, so just so you know, you don't actually have to use your specific YouTube channel. You can use anyone's video as long as they have the share button. So just pull up the YouTube video that you want to use and then click on share. And once you do that, you're going to see the URL right here. So go ahead and just copy that. Now we're done here and I'm going to jump back to my Kartra account. Okay, so here back on the Kartra landing page, you want to click right here, video URL, and just paste that in. Now here you can go ahead and choose to autoplay if you want, but a lot of times when it autoplays, it's going to be on mute, just so you know. And then you want to click on apply. Okay, so you can see it's been updated now to my YouTube video. And then here you can go ahead and change this around if you want. I'm not going to go into that because this is not a tutorial on how to put together your landing page. So let me go ahead and move myself out of the way. Okay, so once you've added your YouTube video into your Kartra landing page, you're not finished until you click on action. And then you want to click on publish live. All right, now it's publishing. Okay, great. Now my landing page in Kartra has been updated. So anyone who lands on it, they will be able to see my YouTube video down there towards the bottom. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your Kartra landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.